Right, okay then, time to put together the flamer gunner from the Blooded. So both sprues are needed. I'm going to start it over here and getting out 41. And then over here, 42. Ooh, difficult one to get into this as well. Definitely need my new clippers. Some men need socks for Christmas. I just need new clippers. Right, okay, and then we need to find number 50, which is over here, and then we can head over to the other sprue for the other parts. I really hate sprue swapping, it's kind of a pain. So flamer 42, you probably notice on the kill team that for the most part I'm building all the specialist weapons. Really want to create a specialist weapon squad with these guys. I have quite a few specialist weapons, 45 and 51, in my Imperium army, my Astra Militarum army. So I think, you know, these guys probably do need to build up, so to speak. I think at some point I really would like to do a Traitor tank, but the problem is I've got my Necromunda 11th building up, and it's kind of like any tanks that I don't instantly put into that disappoint me. Everything, there we go. Okay, really hate putting these weapons together. So you have to kind of get all the different points joining just right. Just hoping this is an example of an easy one, this. Now it does seem that that needs gluing as well, separate. Otherwise it's not going to hold into place and it's going to look weird. So that strap there needs to really push into there. Like so. Just make sure you get that strap in line, otherwise it's going to look odd. Okay, head. Its head feels a bit too high up for my liking, but it's the way I'm trying to put it in. Stop moving. Ow. Damn it. There we go. It does fit it. Yeah, it's slight in now. It's just got to get it right. Okay, and then we have his little flame pack, which feels like it slides onto the back there. Yeah. I think I've got stupid fingers today. My fibromyalgia's flaring up. Yeah, I just can't balance my fingers today. Yeah, I think it's all right there. There we go then. That's our Flamer guy. I'm finding these quite easy to build, which is quite cool. I'm glad they're going so fast. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you for the next video.